Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Schoology as a teacher. We'll begin by logging into your account, typically using your school district's credentials. Once inside, you'll find your main dashboard, which serves as your central hub for all courses, groups, and shared resources. Take a moment to personalize your profile and adjust notification settings to ensure you receive updates in a way that best suits your workflow and preferences. Next, let's dive into creating and managing your courses. You can easily set up new courses and then enroll your students, either by sharing a unique access code or by adding them manually. Within each course, organize your content logically using folders, individual pages, and various assignment types. The integrated gradebook is a powerful tool for monitoring student progress and delivering timely, constructive feedback on their submitted work. Now, let's explore the creation of engaging assignments and assessments. Schoology allows you to design a wide range of activities, from interactive discussions and multiple-choice quizzes to file upload submissions. To ensure fair and consistent evaluation, you can easily attach rubrics to your assignments. Remember to schedule your assignments with clear due dates and set specific availability windows, giving students ample time to complete their tasks. Finally, let's look at enhancing communication and collaboration within Schoology. You can send important announcements to your entire class or individual messages to students and parents. Encourage student interaction and teamwork through discussion boards and by setting up group projects. Additionally, Schoology provides valuable analytics, offering insights into student engagement and overall performance, helping you tailor your teaching approach effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.